Welcome to the introduction of the Microsoft PL100 exam. The Microsoft PL100 exam is a certification for designing and building solutions with Microsoft Power Platform. Passing the PL100 exam earns you the title of Microsoft Certified Power Platform Maker Associate. This certification enhances your career prospects and showcases your proficiency to potential employers. The PL100 exam is designed for individuals with a fundamental understanding of the Power Platform's components. Microsoft offers various online courses, training materials, and hands-on labs to help you prepare.
The Microsoft PL100 exam assesses your knowledge and skills across various aspects of the Power Platform. The exam typically consists of multiple choice questions, case studies, and task-based simulations. Select the most appropriate answer from the given options. Analyze real-world business scenarios and answer questions. Perform tasks within a simulated Power Platform environment. Designing solutions, creating Power Apps, automating processes with Power Automate, data analysis with Power BI, and implementing intelligent solutions with Power Virtual Agents.
Exam dumps are collections of real or similar exam questions shared by individuals who have taken the exam. Insights into the structure, wording, and style of questions. Identify strong areas and areas needing further study. Simulate the exam environment and practice time management. Successfully answering questions can boost your confidence. Use exam dumps ethically and responsibly as a supplemental resource alongside other study materials.
Welcome to Section 4, Sample Questions and Answers. Here are a few sample questions and answers that resemble the types of questions you might encounter in the Microsoft PL100 exam. You are designing a Power App for a sales team to track customer interactions. You need to create a form where users can select a customer from a list of existing accounts in Dynamics 365. What is the best way to achieve this? A. Use a text input control and allow users to type in the customer name. B. Use a drop-down control and populate it with a static list of customer names. C. Use a gallery control and display customer details from a SharePoint list. D. Use a combo box control and connect it to the Dynamics 365 data source. D. Use a combo box control and connect it to the Dynamics 365 data source. You are automating a business process using Power Automate. The flow needs to send an email notification to a manager for approval whenever a new item is created in a SharePoint list. What trigger should you use to initiate the flow? A. When an item is created, SharePoint. B. When an HTTP request is received, request. C. Recurrence, schedule. D. Manually trigger a flow, flow. A. When an item is created, SharePoint. You are creating a Power BI report to analyze sales data. You have a table containing sales transactions for different products. You want to visualize the total sales amount for each product category over time. What type of chart would be most suitable for this scenario? A. Pie chart. B. Scatter chart. C. Line chart. D. Map chart. C. Line chart. These sample questions provide a glimpse into the types of questions you may encounter in the PL100 exam.
All right, let's talk about some effective study and preparation tips for the PL100 exam. First, understand the exam objectives and the skills being measured. Take advantage of Microsoft's official learning paths and documentation. Practice using Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI to create your own projects. Join study groups or online communities for valuable insights and support. Good luck with your preparation.
Ready to take the next step in your certification journey? Visit dumpsmate.com for high-quality exam dumps, practice tests, and study guides. Our resources are designed to help you pass the Microsoft PL100 exam with confidence. Don't wait. Start your preparation today and achieve your certification goals with dumpsmate.com.